Welcome to 9323 Fox Bend Lane, a fabulous custom home in the gated Fox Bend section of Siena. Just minutes to the Sawmill Pool, Park, and Clubhouse, we are excited to present this estate home with over 6,100 square feet designed for entertaining. This home features 5 bedrooms and 5.5 baths, with spacious living areas, tall ceilings, and elegant styling throughout. The sophisticated formal dining room will host your favorite occasions with a built-in buffet and striking wood beams. With gorgeous hardwood floors throughout the living areas, this open family room and kitchen is designed with family in mind, from the cozy fireplace to the cook's kitchen featuring Cambria quartz counters and a massive island with breakfast bar seating. Off the kitchen and breakfast area sits a den with loads of natural light, offering a great place to have your morning cup of coffee. The expansive primary bedroom has hardwood floors, decorative moldings, tall ceilings, and features a separate sitting area with a patio door leading to the screened-in back porch. The luxurious finishes of the owner's bath include decorative lighting, a freestanding garden tub, and a large shower with a shower seat and floor-to-ceiling tile. Upstairs, there are 3 sizable guest bedrooms, along with a game room with hardwood floors, and a separate home theater with 3 tiers for stadium seating. The screened-in back porch provides the perfect setting for a relaxing evening overlooking the backyard. You'll feel a sense of community here at 9323 Fox Bend Lane in Siena. Call us today so we can show you why this is the perfect place for you and your family to call home.